Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super relevant topic: how to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Binance to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to trade on Robinhood or just consolidate your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Robinhood, and that you own some SHIB tokens on Binance. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network for SHIB, which is typically Ethereum-based. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. From there, select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your SHIB is stored. Next, find the Withdraw option and search for Shiba Inu. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Step 2. Choose the right network. For SHIB, it's usually ERC20 on the Ethereum network. If you pick the wrong one, your transfer could fail or get lost, so double-check that. Now, grab your Robinhood wallet address. Log into Robinhood, go to your crypto section, and copy the SHIB deposit address. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Binance. Step 3. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Binance will show you a summary, including estimated fees and processing time. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. This is crucial. Keep it safe in case you need to track the transfer. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, head back to Robinhood and refresh your portfolio to see your SHIB arrive. Pro tip: always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps, and be aware of potential taxes or fees on both platforms. Crypto prices can be volatile, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. That's how you send SHIB from Binance to Robinhood in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.